Hi friends, now we have Windows 10. In the Windows 10, I will show you how to install the Kannada Indic language input 3. I will show you. We have already the setup file. You can find the setup file in the below the description. We have attached. You can download it from the description. Now we are going to install it Kannada Indic language. Now you can see here there is no Kannada language option here. Now we are going to install it. Simply double click it. Welcome to the Kannada Indic input setup wizard. To less, simply click the next option. In this, you need to select here everyone. If you select everyone, what are the local users? Is there all users? You can use this. Then click next. Next. Now it is installing Kannada Indic input 3 software. Wait for few seconds. It will start installation. We want to allow this app to changes to device. Please press the S button. Installation has been completed. You can close it, minimize it. Now you can find it here. Kannada Indic input 3 software has been installed. Okay, that's it. And also one more supporting software is there. It's called the Kannada by Microsoft Indic language input tool. This is you need to go into install it. Microsoft Indic language input tool setup. Press the S button. It will start installing. I want to help Microsoft Indic language input tool. Click here and then click next. I accept the terms. Click here and then go to install it. Now close it. Now we can check how it will work. Now I will type Bangalore here. You need to select here Kannada Microsoft Indic language. I will select it. Bangalore. See, if I type Bangalore, all the Kannada language it will show. Which one you want, you can select it. Same Karnataka I will type. You can select it here. Okay. Thank you. Both of the files you can download it from the below the description. Thank you.